It's 2025, and people are paying thousands to relive their most precious memories. Photos, videos, and messages they thought were lost forever are suddenly coming back to life. And it's all thanks to a simple, futuristic idea. What if I told you this isn't just a trend, it's a business, and you can start it today? Ready to find out how? But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos on my channel. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the concept of digital time capsules. First things first, let's break down what a digital time capsule is. Think of it as a virtual treasure chest where people can store their most precious memories, messages, photos, videos, or even voice notes. Instead of burying it in the ground, it's stored securely online and set to open on a specific date in the future, maybe 5, 10, or even 20 years later. The beauty of this idea is that it's deeply personal. People can use it to capture milestones like weddings, graduations, or the birth of a child. They can also use it to send messages to their future selves or loved ones. It's a mix of nostalgia, emotion, and technology, and that's what makes it so special. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Now that you know what a digital time capsule is, let's talk about who would be interested in this service. Your target audience could include individuals, people who want to preserve memories for themselves or their families, couples, newlyweds or couples celebrating anniversaries who want to capture their love story, parents, moms and dads who want to document their child's growth and milestones, friends, groups of friends who want to create a shared time capsule to open years later, businesses, companies that want to create time capsules for their employees or customers as part of a marketing campaign. By understanding your audience, you can tailor your services to meet their specific needs and make your offering even more appealing. Step 3. Choose your platform and tools. Next, you'll need to decide how you're going to create and deliver these digital time capsules. Here are a few options. 1. Custom website. Build a dedicated website where users can create, customize, and store their time capsules. You can use website builders like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to get started. 2. Mobile app. Develop a mobile app that allows users to create and manage their time capsules on the go. This could be a more advanced option, but it's worth considering if you want to scale your business. 3. Third-party platforms. Use existing platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, or even email scheduling tools to deliver the time capsules. While this is simpler, it may not offer the same level of customization. Whichever option you choose, make sure it's user-friendly and secure. After all, people are trusting you with their most cherished memories. Step 4. Design customizable capsule templates. One of the key selling points of your service will be the ability to customize the time capsules. People love personalization, so offer a variety of templates and designs to choose from. Here's how you can do it. Themes. Create themes for different occasions, like weddings, birthdays, graduations, or anniversaries. Design elements. Allow users to add their own photos, videos, and text to make the capsule truly unique. Interactive features. Include options for voice notes, AR experiences, or even mini-games that can be unlocked when the capsule is opened. The more creative and flexible your designs are, the more people will be willing to pay for your service. Step 5. Set up secure storage and schedule delivery. Security is crucial when it comes to digital time capsules. People need to know that their memories are safe and will only be accessible when the time comes. Here's how you can ensure that. Secure storage. Use encrypted cloud storage to keep the time capsules safe from hackers or data loss. Scheduled delivery. Set up a system that automatically delivers the time capsule on the specified date. This could be via email, a download link, or even a physical USB drive if you want to offer a premium option. Backup plans. Have a backup plan in place in case of technical issues. For example, you could send reminders to users a few months before the delivery date to confirm their contact information. By prioritizing security and reliability, you'll build trust with your customers and encourage them to recommend your service to others. Step 6. Add interactive elements. To make your digital time capsules even more exciting, consider adding interactive elements. Here are a few ideas. Voice notes. Allow users to record voice messages that can be played back when the capsule is opened. Augmented reality AR. Create AR experiences that bring the time capsule to life. For example, users could scan a QR code to see a 3D version of their memories. Time-locked content. Include content that's only revealed when the capsule is opened, like a surprise video or message. These interactive features will make your service stand out and give users a truly memorable experience. Step 7. Price your services. Now that you've got your service set up, it's time to think about pricing. Here's a simple pricing structure you can use. Basic package. It includes a simple time capsule with limited customization and storage. You can price it from $50 to $100. Standard package. Offers more customization options, interactive features, and longer storage periods. You can price it from $200 to $500. Premium package includes everything in the standard package, plus additional features like AR experiences, physical delivery, or priority support. You can price it from $1,000 to $2,000. You can also offer subscription plans for users who want to create multiple time capsules over time. For example, they could pay a monthly fee to store and manage their capsules on your platform. Step 8. Market your service. Once everything is ready, it's time to spread the word. Here are some marketing strategies to get you started. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to showcase your service. Share testimonials, behind-the-scenes content, and examples of time capsules you've created. Collaborations. Partner with influencers, bloggers, or event planners who can promote your service to their audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters with tips, promotions, and success stories. Content marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel where you share ideas for using time capsules, like 10 creative ways to use a digital time capsule, or how to preserve your family memories forever. The key is to show people how meaningful and fun your service can be. Once they see the value, they'll be eager to sign up. Step 9. Provide excellent customer support. Last but not least, make sure you're providing top-notch customer support. People will have questions, concerns, or special requests, and you want to be there to help them every step of the way. Here's how. FAQs. Create a detailed FAQ section on your website to answer common questions. Live chat. Offer live chat support for real-time assistance. Follow-up. Send follow-up emails to check in with your customers and make sure they're happy with their experience. By going above and beyond for your customers, you'll build a loyal community of users who will keep coming back and recommending your service to others. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating and selling digital time capsules. This is such a unique and heartfelt business idea, and the best part is, it's something people will truly cherish for years to come. So, what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming your designs, set up your platform, and get ready to make money while helping people preserve their most precious memories. Trust me, this is one business that's not only profitable, but also incredibly rewarding. Go ahead and take the first step today. Your future self will thank you. I hope you're as excited about this idea as I am. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more unique money-making ideas, and smash that bell icon so you won't miss upcoming videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next.